Welcome to Xhosa Predictors. As usual, we are busy shooting the story set esithi Why Thulane. This story is for film festival. Uba uselokishini eBhulukombosi, ungeza submit story sakho because right now we have 25 short films. Film yakho nje thatha 10 minutes nje yam. Singahlanganani siqoshelise, siyashuta each and every day. Now sekundambahamba ngoku but siyaqhubeka siyashuta, notsidi bakhona as usually, ubhizi actors baninzi wethu, nanga noTlalane ukhona. Hey, kuzoba mandi kakhulu guys, so izani nizosixhasa uzothenga itikiti izaba yi-40 rand. It's day 1 shooting but siyaku day 100. Today is day 1. Ithebela lapho Dr. Class Sharp. Amen.